Good morning, guys. Matt here from VJ Facet. I'd like to introduce you to our new splash guard that I've been talking about for a while now. Just a little poly sheet here that's been custom cut to fit onto your VJ and stop all the splash that's going to come over your control box here. I'm just going to run you through how to fit it. What comes in the kit is obviously the guard and then a modified bush that has a little spigot machined on it that sits inside. Okay, so I'm just going to put you down here while I get a Allen key. What you'll need is a 6mm Allen key, and you'll need to remove your water bottle holder. Okay, so I'm just going to sit you there. I'll remove the control box for ease, and we take the water bottle holder off. Obviously this is probably best done in the workshop when I'm building the machine, but I can send out a kit. You're just going to need to be willing to fiddle a little bit to get a really neat fit. So we take out our spacer that comes with the machine and we drop our new spacer in. We then place our guard on top of that new spacer, a spigot, just there like that. You should see a really nice neat fit. I've put a little bend in these just so that it presses down a little bit on the pan and stops any rattling and vibration. Next we just put our bolt back in. Probably misaligned my bloody holes. Oh, there we go. Down we go. With your 6mm Allen key, screw it back in. Hit that up. You may find that you'll want to extend your water hose if you've got a different setup. Put the control box back on. This is just a machine I'm currently building. Give it a bit of a wipe. And there it is, the VJ splash guard. Like I said, it's going to stop a lot of splash coming up over here. I run on my machine my lap wiper in here all the time and have this guard in, and this will allow you to do all your cutting and your girdle without getting covered in junk. So if you've got a machine on order and you'd like it added, I'll put the price up on the website. If you'd like a kit sent down to you, let me know and we'll sort that out. Okay, I'll put her up on the website. This is just an instructional video. When you want this out of the way, that just slides around like that and then back into position. I haven't tightened that up enough, I'm sorry. Okay, there we go. Beautiful. There you go. No more splashes.